61 years old and loves math. That's right, 61 years old. It is never too late to start doing mathematics. It never is. And it's never too early. And I think that's an important point that needs to be made. And that's why I wanted to make this really, really short video. In this video, I'm briefly going to read an email I just received from a viewer here on the channel. And it's a really good email. I think it's kind of inspiring, for me at least, to get emails like this because it shows that people care about mathematics and it's never too late to start. The person's name is Kevin. He gives his full name, but I won't write it. I won't say it, Kevin. And the subject is 61 and enjoy math and your YouTube. Thanks for your enjoyable YouTube videos. I regularly watch them because it's nice to listen to someone who exudes a love of math. I came to math late in life, a couple of years ago. I'm 61 years old. Events were happening in my life that caused me to seek a solitary activity that would be intellectually challenging. I found I enjoyed math immensely because it gives me a calming and anchored feeling in a chaotic world. I plan to do math the rest of my life. I studied a lot of probability and statistics and functions, and I'm working my way to calculus. Have a good day. There's no question. There's nothing. It's just a nice, pleasant email that I received from Kevin, and I wanted to share it. And I wanted to highlight one part here. He says that he found he enjoyed math immensely because it gives him a calming and anchored feeling in a chaotic world. Yeah, and I think that stems from the fact that when you are working on a math problem, when you are trying to solve math problems, you really have to focus on what you're doing. You have to focus on all the steps. You have to give it your full attention. It takes mental energy to do mathematics. And what that kind of does for you is it kind of clears your head. It doesn't matter what's going on in your life. You kind of be able to, you have to be able to put it aside and focus on math. This is good and it's bad because if you have to do math and you're in a math class and you're having a rough time, maybe in a relationship or with work or with family or friends, it's hard to focus on math. But once you're able to put your focus into math, you can kind of block everything out. And I think that's one reason people do math, right? It kind of just clears your head. When I do math, that's basically what it does, right? If I'm thinking about other things, or it doesn't matter what I'm thinking about, if I'm distracted by something, math takes away that distraction because I have to focus on the math. And you learn math while you're doing it, which is good. So yeah. Anyways, just a random video. Keep doing mathematics.